research and development is an area that most entities or firms pay attention to. It is even stretched to government levels. Now in Uganda, a lot of effort has been invested in this area, especially in the agriculture sector. NARO is a trailblazer in this space. We'll look at what they've been doing and what has come out of that.
NARO is the organization that develops about 99% of the crop varieties that are currently used in Uganda and in the market. NARO's contribution in the grain system is that actually it is the sole developer of varieties that end up producing, availing seed of those particular crops. In addition to developing varieties, by mandate, we also have to produce what I've called the early generation seed. That is the breeder seed, the pre-basic seed, in some languages, the basic seed. So when we develop it, then we pass it on through a system, still part of the seed system, to the people who are going to multiply it. And these include, indeed, the registered official seed companies, but also we have got other people or other groups that do multiply and produce what is a new class called quality declared seed. And this one came on board because of the outcry of the end users or the farmers that they could not all of them could access the certified seed from the registered companies. So a system was put in place to enable production of another standard level of quality seed, which has been actually acknowledged by Rome as a quality declared seed. So indeed, our early generation seed is passed on to seed companies for production of certified seed, and is also passed on to those people who have been trained to produce quality declared seed. And those ones are mainly farmers, either as individuals or as groups. The certification is mainly a duty of the Ministry of Agriculture, Animal Industry and Fisheries, especially or particularly the Crop Inspection and Certification Department. But NARO plays a big role of supporting them in that we produce the ingredients that lead to the standards that they are going to use. But we also, where they are not able to do it, because they are limited in terms of numbers and the production is in the whole country, our stations which are out there, the zonal agricultural research and development institutes, they team up with the district agricultural officers and they get trained, and then they also do go and do the inspection and provide data to the inspection Department of Agriculture to do the certification. We have got several seed companies. At the moment, Uganda has about 40 registered seed companies since the seed industry was liberalized. And not all of them are at the same level of capacity to produce, capacity to market, capacity to distribute. So NARO also helps those seed companies, not only in training them technically, but also in some ways of having their stock enough, producing to have enough of their stock in place. At the moment, the biggest challenge to livelihood, to environment, and to both national and global level is climate change, the effects of climate change. You are talking of prolonged drought or dry spells. You are talking of floods which are causing landslides. You are talking of pests coming up more virulently, but only so that's the existing ones. But we are also seeing new pests coming up which never used to be in some regions. You are talking of salinity, or maybe like salt levels, either in the waters or in the system changing. And all these are effects of climate change. So in that direction, NARO in the past has released a number of varieties that responded to the earlier observed climate change effects. We have many varieties of, let me say, maize, which are tolerant to prolonged dry spell through early maturity because they will mature earlier, so that actually they can use the little rains that are available. But that is not enough. We are continuing to conduct research that will be bringing on board solutions towards climate change effects. Development partners generally are playing really a key role in research and development aspects. And indeed, NARO has worked with a number of them, ABI inclusive, said they support us by giving us funds to do our research and to disseminate the outputs. They support us to train our staff. They can develop those grain varieties better and also disseminate them.